Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about Woodward-Hoffmann rule. Woodward-Hoffmann rules. Symmetry-based rule that account for observation were developed by WNH. P orbitals used here. In thermal pericyclic reaction, the total number of 4Q plus 2 and 4R component must be odd. I repeat, in thermal pericyclic reaction, total number of 4Q plus 2S and 4RA component must be odd. This needs some explanation. A component is a bond or orbital taking part in a pericyclic reaction as a single unit. A double bond is a pi square component. The number 2 is the most important part of this designation and simply refer to the number of electrons. You know, my friend, the prefix pi tells us the type of electrons. A component may have any number of electrons. Diene is a pi 4 component, but may not have the mixture of pi and sigma electrons. Now look back at the rule. Those mysterious designation for Q plus 2 and 4R simply refer to the number of electrons in the component where Q and R integers, and alkenes is a pi square component, and so it is of 4Q plus 2 kind, while the diene is a pi 4 component, and so is of the 4R kind. So now what about the suffix S and A? The suffix S stand for superficial and A for intraficial. A superficial component forms new bond on the same phase at the both ends, while an intraficial component forms new bond on opposite phase at the both ends. So I will show you the Diel cell definition. Then what you need to do? Draw the mechanism for reaction. Then choose the component. All the bonds taking part in the mechanism must be included. And make a three-dimensional drawing of the way the component come together for the reactions, putting in orbitals at the end of the component. Join up the component where new bond is formed, colored dotted lines. Then label each component is, and depending on whether new bonds are formed on the same on the opposite side. Then count the number of 4Q plus 2S and 4RA component if the total number is odd and reaction is odd. So all superficial 4 plus 2 cycle reaction useful for other pericyclic reaction. Now I am going to share you the slides so that it is clear, very clear to you. Now you can see here. This is the Woodward-Hoffmann rules, what I am talking about. I am talking about this 4Q plus 2. This is the S, 4RA. Then I am talking about this S for superficial, A for intraficial. Then 4Q plus 2 and 4R system. So 4Q plus 2 pi square system means dienophile and diene pi 4. Now, second point actually I am talking about, draw the mechanism for the reaction like this. Then choose the component, all bond taking part in the mechanisms. So you can see here diene and dicotyl. This is the pi 4, this is the pi 2. Now make three-dimensional drawing of the way component come together. This one and pi this one, 3 dimension. Now you can see pi 4 this way, pi 2. Then you can see pi 4s and pi 2s. So 4q plus 2s and 4ra component. So there is one 4q plus 2s component, the alkene, and no 4ra component. So total is 1. So it is allowed reaction. It is allowed reaction. So all superficial 4 plus 2 cycloaddition useful for other pericyclic. Now I will talk about the electrocyclic reaction. This type of pericyclic reaction are distinguished by the number of sigma bond made or broken. You can see this is the example of electrocyclic reaction. There's sigma plus minus. So electron goes around in a cycle. You can see this bond shift, this bond shift, this bond. At 5 degrees Celsius, this new bond formed. Here you can see this is also electrocyclic forming this bond. Now you see formation of the sigma bond. So again, draw the mechanism of the reaction like this. This is the pi 6 system. You can see the pi 6 system, and this is the pi 6 system. So in this system, there is a 1 4q plus 2s component and 4r component, no 4r2, total 1. So it is allowed and allowed reactions. You can see. So read all the rules and regulations. You can see if we have this is the allowed and this one is disallowed. Why it is allowed? Why this is allowed? You can see. Methyl group both rotate upward to allow orbital to overlap. And on-methyl group rotate upward and downward to allow orbital to overlap. So superficial allowed and intrafacial disallowed. Here you can see Cyn 1,2 dimethyl cyclobutene, EZ hexa 2,4 diol. So draw the mechanism as it is, or you can follow the all regulations. You can see drawing pi 4, pi 4, pi 4, pi 4. So there are no 4q plus 2s component and no 4ra component. Total 0. So this is disallowed reactions. So with the help of Hoffman tool, you can see here pi 4, pi 4, pi 4 interfacial. So there are no 4q plus 2s component and one 4ra component, total 1. So this is allowed reaction. You can see here the conversion from EZ isomers from these to EE isomers. So my friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.